Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on this beautiful day, we have Marcia on the mix. And now Marcia is talking about herself and how people are coming out and they're talking about her basically. And she's saying, giving them advice. She's saying, well, you guys need to go and get, your life insurance and other stuff because, Marcia is saying that she has those stuff. And, people should focus on themselves and not focus on her the way they are. So, guys, go catch a video, listen to what Marcia has to say, and like, share, comment. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I just want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, whatever you want to call yourself, my family, I just want to say have yourselves a beautiful day. And in life, we have to take things one day at a time, one step at a time, because not everything is paved for us. But if we push and continue to push in the direction that we want to go, we will always get to that. So keep pushing your goals. You can achieve all of those. Whatever you set out to do in life, you can achieve all your goals. Just make sure that your headspace is there and that you're pushing towards that same thing that you need to get to. And remember, guys, we work hard and we're going to achieve, right? So, guys, go ahead, catch the video as I said, and have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember to live, love, laugh, and always keep that beautiful smile on your face. And remember, positivity is key.
Me no have. Me tell you no already. Una don't have not even a security blanket. No for una drop dead tomorrow morning, don't even have life insurance to bury una because una don't believe in it. Go look at life insurance to bury una rotten body. And that no for go do. God, go find my man for married to someone so una can get paper for a doctor. Go look after yourself. And go back home, go look for una people. And that no for go do. A time una sit down a mind. Someone una chat, una for come show which partner live. Someone God bless which partner live. So nobody come chat nothing. Nobody come chat nothing about what the foolishness on our chat say. Una need to get a life. Every day when I come up here, watch out my pussy. Me tell us I be doing damn pussy, I don't want a woman. So I don't know who come up here watch me. For me, I strictly declare me have one man, a hot blood clot man me have. Fine. Like what? And him like me, and me like him. What about that? Not jealous? Or not jealous of my skin? Or not jealous of my teeth? Or not jealous of my two little $5 sheet them? I want to jealous of my little piece of whole van when I sit down in the daytime? I'm not jealous of I want to have a house. I want a pretty looks. What I couldn't go get one too? What about no look a dirty girl who sit down and don't even care money to buy one car, but no care money to buy a long weave every day and bleach out skin? You know, say bleaching cream, by 6 months time, I can't buy one piece of whole car. What I couldn't go buy one piece of car and take jealous over me? And my piece of whole one I have, I sleep in at night time. What I couldn't go jealous? All of my sisters and brothers are foreign. And the whole of them have empty room can't put me in. Me can never be homeless in America. Never. I jealous, not jealous, because I don't want a house where I can't stay until I'm ready for go up and I can't go out and busy, go enjoy myself and come back. I hate not jealous, huh? Because no for one can't do it. No for one can't do it. So what is the problem? Is it phone life or is my life? Oh, God bless, no man curse. Me tell you already, When you put me down, gotta lift me up. So when you fight in a losing battle, no go about no business. Every day when you sit down on social media on careless page, I wanna just no want to make yourself happy. Make yourself happy. It don't take much. Go clean up on yourself and put on a little $10 makeup and a little lipstick and make yourself beautified. Stop sitting down and grudge, Marcia. Go take some toothbrush and some good toothpaste and brush your teeth. Go soak on your tongue in some bleach and jizz before you come chat to me. It don't make no sense. Uno sound like a idiot. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense when if you sit down and jealous of me and come up with slandering and false accusation. Uno can't do it too. Stop walk around and fuck you up a man. And that enough you do. Stop doing that. Love on yourself more and take out yourself more. Stop depend on man for carry on out. Carry out on yourself. Take pride in yourself. Don't sit down at the house and wait for the man for carrying you to the movie. Go to the movie on yourself. Don't sit down and man to carry you to the dinner. Go to the dinner on yourself. That's why I'm so jealous and bad mind of me. Because you sit down and wait for a man. If a man can't carry you to the movie, you can't go. Because you don't want to spend man money, you don't want to spend phone. You don't want to spend phone upon bleaching cream and long wig. But no one man for carry out for no happiness. A man can't make you happy on yourself. Happiness come within. You cannot, man can't buy make you happy. Man can only be a companion and give you a loving. Because majority of the time that's what man provide. Bills and friggin', you know. That's their purpose. To stay in the house with you know and give and frig on half and help pay the bills. Them no much come with nothing. Them they treat major thing. Companionship, bills, and fuck you know. That's where it come with. That's where man come with. What else then come with? What else then come with? Those are the three major things. And some of them not get no companionship because some of them not sleep with you know. So what is the problem? So when time when you see other people happy, you no grudge people for them happiness. Move on yourself from yourself and go on about the business. Every day when you sit down, I talk about this and woman. Listen to me. You better make sure say, anytime when you get eviction, anytime when you reach in a position when you can't pay on the bills, you make sure say you're in a position like me. Because some of you have a family in America. And some of you do have family no want, you can't go on a family. Remember me, Marcia, I have all my brothers and sisters have family. I made the last one for my mother. I made the last one. And my family them love me. I can walk in the house anytime and stay with them. Some of you don't have that opportunity. Remember my sisters them are Christian people. You understand? Them not live careless life. So me can't go them house anytime. The man can't come tell them say you can't bring your family there. Because once my sister them married one time and divorced, they not pick up nobody again. So just remember that. Say hopeful in that position and make sure in a position if you don't have nowhere to live, make sure so you can't go in a hotel for 5 months. Without welfare. I wanna go along and I wanna go along a YMCA go look it in there. Make sure you can in the position like me. Not only 3 days, 5 months. Make sure so you're in a position like me that if something happening in your life, you can still have no freedom. Make sure you have no money put on that you can go in a hotel for 5 months. And I'm not talking about motel. I'm talking about hotel and resident in. We cost how much $100. Make sure that is not one like a cheap Motel 6 where smoking cigarette. Make sure a good established one like what I had. Make sure before you come talk to me because you can't talk to me. So make sure when situation arise in our life, make sure so you come call me because I not help no. Don't come call me. It's like Marcia give me a night. Me not get spit in our face. So make sure. When you did I run up on the mouth. Make sure when situation arise, you have family members like me can go to. Because let me tell you something. Me the last one for my family. My family love me. My sister them love me. Not because I don't hear them come on social media and whatever it is. My sister them love me. Right now, them would love to see me show up in the yard right now. Me not ask you. You that see the big smile on them face. They would love for me show up. When me fix my van front, it fitting, me jump in my vehicle and pack up some things, curtain and all something, go and carry down, they will give them. When me no want. They would love for see me right now, me not ask you. Me not ask you. My sisters them would love for see me right now. You know, some of you not a family like that. Some of you can't go on a family door. My sisters, them door is always open for me. You hear what I said? Me the last one. And my sisters, them, their door is always open for me. Them now refuse me. So I hope you have family member that is like mine. I hope when situation arise, you don't have to go catch anybody yard. You can go in a one hotel, go stay our resident in until you catch back up on yourself. Make sure you have no $20,000 and $30,000 to go pay that Ross bill. Or you have to go set for go war out no crutch. I remember say someone wanna ugly big and fat and so and a man no want to know. Some on pussy no have no value. So just remember that. On a crutch don't have no value. So no like one time when we did young and hot, man a refuse at girl much less who know. Someone will come on social media chat. Because none will come on social media chat me who not tan good. Who not tan good. That's why you can be a backdoor bully. On a pussy don't have no value. So no like say you can't go sell nothing because the man no want to know. Because the most of you they be and close your chat me you one ugly piece of serpent. On a ras belly drop down on a foot. On a teeth dirty. On a lip look like a when pussy spoil. On a head not tan good. On a skin discolorated. On a teeth buff and dirty. On a tan good. On a leg big like any elephant and buffalo. On a not tan good. Most of you chat me. So you not getting no man to buy a crutch for you. So might as well go sit in the raw self down and go about the business. I left Marcia alone. You too bad mind. Happiness come from within and it's very easy to make yourself happy. Learn to love yourself than putting love into man. Learn to love yourself than putting love into fake handbag and big long weave and bleaching cream. And send him money go give man to Western Union when I want to know. You understand? And that no do. And that no too bad, man. If I'm a close, she shows up me. Come on. How she sleeping in her car? Then if me a sleeping in my ass car for your business? If me living in my car, is it your business? Are you living there? If me and my man are sleeping in the car, is it your business? If me I go McDonald's go bed, is it your ass business? Dirty people. Is it your business? Yeah? And that's what I want. Well, me go tell no say that will never blood clot happen. Not under this God creation. If I that not put my mouth pan, if go down to the level, that will never blood clot happen. So no wish ain't gonna come true. So I'm going to sit on that little dirty workless page over there, so and I'm going to come up with the conference and say bird of a feather fly together. The whole of one over there where chat me is nothing but a damn whore. You don't have no life. You are lifeless. And all not see me, you come see pretty Marcia every day. Having her life and living her life. And all no can do is chat for people years old. All them something when I wish for, it will never come true. She never come out to no, she never came out and a plea to no blogger. I mean, I could go through that. She never come out and a plea to another blogger to help me. Me never do the video, but I am sure she's an intelligent woman. If she said it now in a sarcastic way or whatever it is, she wasn't coming to plead for the blogger. She make her remarks and everybody understand what she said. You people are the one that is going around and making it into something that is not. That's why me not put too much emphasis, me not prolong the story. Because I know how we Jamaican talk. And it's not the first time somebody mentioned something like that in that form of way. She wasn't playing because she couldn't out her mind for go play because me no want help from that soul. And Huno is the one that is putting something into it. Huno is the one that is putting something into it. I'm telling the truth. And that's why me not even touch the subject. So don't come over here and say that she was playing. There is no way under God creation that Tina Chin could have come on here and plain to another blogger to help me. That's a damn lie. You see, someone don't comprehend very well. I want to know exactly what she would me. The only thing wrong, she should not bring up my name in nothing. She should have leave my name out. But to know exactly what she meant. I want to know exactly what she meant, and that is what it is. No, nobody can come complete. You can't go complete on another Ras blogger to help me when me have a job different from my business. Why would she come out for a blogger to help me when me working? And I've been and when me working. Eh? Why would she come out? If Why would she come out to help? Why would she come out to have a blogger helping me when me work 42 hours a week? Eh? Why would she come out and she see me working? Why would she do that? Come out and what? Please another blogger to help me. What kind of help me need? Eh? Somebody can need help and I in a resident in of Marriott. You know how much money a night for that, Ras? Government no pay that. A cash money pay that. Help who? Who no think who no talking to? Them people are too Ras out harder. And them need help. If them did have what me have, then she could chat to me. Me can't spit in them face. And that me fi do. Me wish me could have spit in some of them phone, three phone and shit pan them. Me not ask you. Why would she come out and plea for me? For help? Who no fi stop it? She said what she said, and she said what she said. She said it only know exactly what she meant. The only thing me blame Tina for, she shouldn't have brought up my name. Because there's another subject to talk about. That's the only thing. She shouldn't have brought up my name. Listen, she can't plead for me. She cannot plead for me to nothing. I mean, over if talk about that. Me over if talk about other people. She cannot plead for me. She cannot plead for me for help. Nobody can go to 99 for ask me for help. Because 99, if me a dead pan road and she give me a water for box it way. I dash for that blood clot. If me a dead and me see she come bring some water, come give me this a time of life, yeah. Me kick out that blood clot out her hand and box it way. I rather have a thief to and dead first. So nobody can go to 99 for help. Because 99 nobody, 99 want help for herself much less. So me not want to talk about. So don't come up here, come make it seems like whatever it is. So don't come up here, come go on like say, you out here using a blogging page to make money and bringing up content so people can come on all on a page. Maybe Tina do the same thing when I do too. Coming up with things so she can get more views and likes. My name is a big market out there. So uno not come every day a spread rumor. So even if she see so, uno not put false headline every day. Look how much false headline they put up every day. Look how much false headline the woman put up on Portland every day. And the rest of bloggers them. You know, here tonight they over there say me live in my car. Just because say me in my car sit down and I wait until the other shift is over. Me in my car sit down, just come off of the street, come off and about my business and go do my nail and come back. And them over there and me have my mouse now bag and me put rub it in my head. Cause me going about my business. And them come up over there and say me living in my car. And me I got a patient and me I got people who go sleep, go whatever. This is not then a foolishness. Them ask a question. Then me want to know say me want to know if white people are idiot. Eh? White people are idiot. Me never know that. Me I wait what? Me I wait for go in a house for go me what me live in my car. She live in her car. Me say boy me I tell you now. If me could have kept some on her ass, like, you know, me not asking, you know, me wish me have a little power. Me wish me have a little power for no ask someone, you know. Who not have to disappear price earth here. I realize that someone who want, someone who know, Uno depend as 400 and 500. Look how me important. 400 and 500 people are call up my name. Come over there, listen to it. Same thing over and over. For a woman will look like a piece of shit. Look how the woman look. Her face alone, her name, her lip, she look like a dog. She look like a damn mongrel dog. Look at the woman look like a them homeless bitch and living, and she said she live in a one good